Novi Survey is a full-featured survey software tool that allows for the creation of sophisticated online surveys, assessments, and data collection forms. Responses to surveys can be collected by posting the surveys on a website or by sending email invitations or by manual data entry. This video will show you an overview of the Novi Survey creation tool. When you first log on to Novi Survey, you will see a ribbon menu at the top. This menu gives you access to all the major features of the software. The tabs at the top of the ribbon menu provide access to all major areas in the system, such as surveys, contacts, or reports. The tools in each of the ribbon panels allow you to perform functions on the relevant data for that menu. The Surveys tab takes you to the list of your surveys. Here you can create new surveys, add questions to survey pages, and change survey options. You can also preview the completed survey and run validation to discover potential issues. You can copy, delete, and clear any responses, as well as search and replace text or translate surveys in other languages. The system is capable of creating email alerts triggered by different criteria, such as the completion of a response, and can include the response or the respondent information in the email. You can also add scores to the survey by assigning points to the questions and show interpretations of the score based on a range of values. Novi Survey also includes an advanced email invitation engine that allows you to send email invitations to contacts in the address book, specify the time to send them, and the number of reminders. You can also track the number of invitations clicked, the number of undeliverable emails, as well as statistics about responses in real time. Each survey can have a default template and a mobile template, which are used to customize the appearance of your survey. You can add your own logo, change the fonts, colors, borders, shading, and many other visual aspects of your survey. Novi Survey comes preloaded with many templates that you can use as is or copy and modify to match your own preferences. The Folders tab allows you to create and edit folders. Folders are used to organize your surveys in groups for easy access and management. Adding a new survey is very easy. Just click on the New Survey tool, give the survey a name, and click Save. Each survey can have multiple pages. Each page can have one or more questions. A page can have page conditions to show or hide the page based on different criteria, as well as skip logic to skip ahead in the survey. To add a question, simply click on Insert Question, and a helper screen allows you to choose from the question types that are supported by the system. You can have multiple choice questions with radio buttons, check boxes, and pull-down lists. You can create matrices with multiple segments. You can have rating and ranking questions. You can have open-ended text questions, and many others. You can also add visual elements such as images or formatted text anywhere within the survey. Once you select a question type, you are then presented with many other options that allow you to fine-tune the questions, such as including comments, allow a not applicable option, make the question required, sort and randomize the answers, and many more. Once you have finished creating the questions, you can specify the options that control the behavior of the survey, such as setting the supported languages, the number of responses allowed, or the access control. You can also set the responses to be anonymous or identifying, control the number of responses per respondent, and for the survey, and allow participants to save and resume later. You can also set the date of opening and closing, as well as the survey web link. Finally, you can add a completion page to be shown at the end of your survey, send a completion email, add a report link, and define a completion action. The Contacts tab allows you to create address lists used for sending email invitations. You can import the list from files, and you can copy, split, and merge the lists at any time. The Responses tab function allows you to view collected responses either by survey or by respondent. You can also view the details for each response and edit or delete responses. The Exports tab allows you to export survey responses in CSV, Excel, and SPSS formats. You can also export the contact lists, file attachments, and filtered report data. The Reports tab allows you to create and view survey reports. Here you can easily summarize and aggregate survey response data and display the results using nice charts. You can create reports that show responses from multiple surveys, and you can also segment the data using advanced filtering logic. The Libraries tab allows you to edit and create new libraries. Each library can contain a number of predefined questions that can be imported into your surveys. You can copy questions from libraries to surveys and vice versa. This tab takes you to the Novi Survey portal. The portal allows respondents with a login to Novi Survey to run reports and take surveys. The portal is also used to record surveys over the phone on behalf of respondents. The Admin tab gives you access to your organization settings, where you can add accounts for other users in your organization. Each account can have different privileges and roles, such as administrator, survey creator, or bulk data entry person. This is just a quick overview of the main functionality of Novi Survey. Please visit our tutorial page for step-by-step instructions on how to perform specific tasks. Thank you for watching.